The police in Clarendon say the curfew implemented in Canaan Heights has provided residents with a break from the shootings in the community. Now, law-abiding residents have been running scared because of an ongoing gang feud.
The Canaan Heights community in Clarendon has again been gripped by gang violence. Shootings in particular have increased in the area over the last few weeks. Things got so bad that a few residents have opted to move out of the area.
Right now, after destruction, I drop in here at this place there and watch it. Crime and violence have to stop. You have to stop it? Sorry. Can watch it. The little boy, they will do the little thing. And I know boy that can't do it. That out of man that can go shoot people.
But the police are determined to wrestle control from the criminals and instituted a 2-day curfew that ended Friday evening.
The citizens are overwhelmed. In fact, there are some persons who are saying that we are not to leave. They want to see the police here. We have reassured them the curfew cannot continue forever. It has its limitations. But where the regular patrols are concerned, those will continue. And we will continue to have a 24-hour patrol in this space.
The curfew was intended to stop the shootings in the area and allow the security forces to track down criminals.
Since we have started, we have not heard of any serious or violent crimes committed in the area. We hope that this will continue, that the citizens will realize that the police are there for them. We hope that this would have brought some amount of reassurance to the citizens. And the criminals themselves we've understood that some of them have taken themselves away, that they will stay out of the area, that those who are on the side of the police will give us the information, let us know what's happening in the community.
Interest groups, members of the Clarendon police leadership and other stakeholders did a walk through of the community Friday to meet with residents and assess their problems.